Good morning, friends. Two sample poems from my ebook, Secrets of Nature, Nagendra Bharati's Social Poems, Collection 8. First poem, Colors of Tears. Tears display the contextual colors. Yellow is blooming in joyful tears. Purple is glooming in sorrowful tears. White is pleasing in peaceful tears. Black is freezing in fearful tears. Tears display the contextual colors. Second poem, Life Tree. Fell not the tree as they bring life to you. Tell you the truth, they branch out the leaves. Yellow and green are the extracts of life. Flowers in color are the facts of the cycle. Root is the base to reach out to sky. You can read more poems if you go to Amazon and type Nagendra Bharati, Nagendra Bharati. You can get all my ebooks and enjoy reading. Thank you.